Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get so much done while others struggle to keep up? It's not about talent or resources. It's about mastering the one resource we all get equally: time. Welcome to Book Navigator, where we bring life-changing lessons from the world's best books straight to you. Today, we're diving into Thibaut Meurisse's game-changing book, Master Your Time. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to take full control of your time, but also how to create a life filled with purpose, balance, and freedom. If you're ready to transform how you think about time forever, watch till the end. Thibaut Meurisse is a personal development expert and the author of over 20 books on productivity, mindfulness, and self-discipline. In Master Your Time, he distills years of research and experience into a simple yet powerful guide for anyone feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or unproductive. This book isn't just about managing your schedule. It's about creating a life where every moment counts. Through actionable strategies, Thibaut helps you align your time with your values and goals, ensuring you're working smarter, not harder. Section 1. Time, your most precious asset. Thibaut begins by stressing an uncomfortable truth. Your time is finite. Think about this. If you live to be 80 years old, you have roughly 29,200 days. That's it. Every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. The true cost of wasted time. Imagine spending 2 hours a day scrolling social media. That's 14 hours a week or over 700 hours a year. Nearly an entire month gone. What could you achieve in a month if you invested that time into learning, building, or creating something meaningful? Action steps. 1. Perform a time audit. Track every activity for a week. Use apps like Toggle or a simple notebook. Categorize activities into productive, neutral, or wasteful. Identify your biggest time wasters. 2. Understand the value of your time. Calculate your hourly rate. For example, if you earn $50,000 a month working 160 hours, your time is worth $312.5 per hour. Are you spending that value wisely? Section 2. Clarifying your priorities. Define your North Star. Without clear priorities, you'll be at the mercy of distractions. Thibaut emphasizes the importance of defining your North Star, the one thing that guides your actions and decisions. Exercise. Write down your top 3 long-term goals. Ask yourself, why do these goals matter? What steps will get me closer to them? The power of saying no. Every time you say yes to one thing, you're saying no to something else. Thibaut encourages you to guard your time fiercely and say no to tasks, requests, or distractions that don't align with your goals. Real-life example. Think of Warren Buffett, who famously said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything." Actionable tools. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize. Urgent and important. Do immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule. Urgent but not important. Delegate. Neither. Eliminate. Section 3. Designing your ideal day, the morning routine. Thibaut highlights the importance of starting your day with intention. A well-crafted morning routine sets the tone for success. Sample routine. 1. Silence. Meditate or practice gratitude for 5 minutes. 2. Exercise. Move your body to boost energy. 3. Planning. Review your goals and prioritize tasks. Time blocking for productivity. Divide your day into dedicated blocks for specific tasks. This minimizes decision fatigue and keeps you focused. Pro tip: allocate your high-energy hours for deep work. Save mundane tasks for when your energy dips. For example, a writer might dedicate 8 to 10 a.m. for creative writing, 10 to 11 a.m. for editing, and 11 to 12 p.m. for admin work. Section 4. Mastering focus and eliminating distractions. The myth of multitasking. Thibaut debunks the myth of multitasking, explaining that switching between tasks reduces efficiency by up to 40%. Solution: practice single tasking. Focus on one task until completion before moving to the next. Battling digital distractions. Smartphones and social media are the biggest culprits. Thibaut recommends creating distraction-free zones. Actionable steps. 1. Turn off notifications during work hours. 2. Use apps like Focus at Will or Freedom to block distractions. 3. Set a phone-free hour every evening. Section 5. Building momentum with habits. The compound effect of habits. Small habits, repeated consistently, lead to significant results over time. Thibaut calls this the compound effect. For example, writing 200 words daily might seem insignificant, but over a year, that's 73,000 words. Enough for a book. Steps to build powerful habits. 1. Start small. Begin with micro habits. 2. Anchor new habits. Attach them to existing routines. For example, do 10 push-ups after brushing your teeth. 3. Track progress. Use habit tracking apps or a simple calendar. Section 6. Maintaining balance and preventing burnout. The importance of rest. Thibaut argues that rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for peak performance. Actionable tips. 1. Schedule downtime just like work tasks. 2. Practice active recovery. Engage in activities like yoga, walking, or reading. The power of detachment. Learn to detach from work after hours. This not only reduces stress, but also boosts creativity. Exercise. Create an evening ritual that signals the end of your workday, like journaling or preparing for the next day. Section 7. Advanced time management techniques. The Parkinson's Law. Thibaut explains Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. By setting tighter deadlines, you can accomplish tasks faster. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up. Section 8. Aligning time with purpose. Reflect and adjust. Thibaut encourages regular reflection to ensure your actions align with your long-term vision. Monthly exercise. Review your progress and make adjustments. Ask, what worked well this month? What needs improvement? Living intentionally. At its core, time mastery is about designing a life you love. Every moment spent intentionally brings you closer to your dreams. If this video gave you valuable insights, imagine what you could achieve by applying these lessons daily. Share this video with a friend who's ready to master their time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more transformative book summaries on Book Navigator. Let's master our time, one moment at a time.